How's your morning today?
My morning is well. Everything is going good. And
And how
yours?
weather of Oman?
Weather is the good. Not you cannot say too much cold or too much hot. It's a normal weather,
But in
like
my
a
area,
26,
there is
27.
there is so cold. Right now, I think temperature is 8 degrees Celsius in the morning.
Now going to freezing of the temperature.
Yes.
India, all over India, maybe like the temperature.
But it can be different state to state, na? In my state right now, 8 degrees Celsius in the morning time.
And also in the Bihar, UP also there about 10, 12 temperature is there. So now almost cold came in India.
Yeah. And there are some fog also.
Yeah, maybe in January it will be like that. After January, maybe temperature will be rising a little bit.
Yes. Right now, 10:30. But when I sing outside, there is, foggy weather,
Yeah.
not clear
But you
weather.
are but you are ready at 10:30. Every work will be finished and you are ready. So there is a very hard work. Eh?
You
And
have
now people are
already You have
because
already told the topic value of the time.
yeah. So I thinking in my mind now you the value of the time. So you are valuable person of the time.
Yeah. And I think everybody should follow this rule and
Yeah,
everybody should be punctual on the time.
but many people in the winter season they are not get up in the morning. They are try to 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock get up in the morning.
Most of the housewives, because they already, I think you better know because your wife is also, I think, wake up at 6:30 or 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. Because nine
So
o'clock
sometimes
have a
this is
class.
a
No?
habit. This is a habit.
Yeah. But many in the if you as my mother I say they are get up in the 4:30, 5 o'clock like that.
Yeah. Most of the old person get up, I think 4:35 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah. But
Because
in
they are following these things, I think how many years I don't know, but after that it is habit. it
yeah
ca-
yeah yeah
it change into the habit.
yeah because I am also get up in the morning 5:30. But when I went go my home and the leave day, then I get up 7:30, 8 o'clock like that because I don't have any work, so I don't want to. But I have to get up because I have to take ready everything for the duty. So I get up morning
So
5:30.
homemakers have so many works, like they have to dress up their children for school. They
Yeah,
have another responsibility to making breakfast, lunch, dinner. If they are not punctual, all the works of the house can be it is not looking good. They are, you can say, order will be, because there is an order, systematic order.
yeah,
Yeah. So today's topic, I think, value of time.
yes.
You want to elaborate it?
Yeah, uh,
Okay, so please
uh,
start this topic.
yeah, definitely. Because time is the most important for everyone. Without time, you can not do anything. Everything decided for the time. So time. Today's topic is the value of the time. So
Mm-hmm.
first I want to say what is the time?
Mm-hmm.
Because every people know there are two type. Every people thinking there are two type of time. Some have a bad time, some have a good time. If you something going against you, you say that is a bad time for me. If you
Mm-hmm.
everything as per your planning is going on, they are saying people are the good time for me. But also there time is measured by hours, day, years. And so one like that people are measuring the time. So some there are three type of people
Mm-hmm.
invest manage the time. Some people are investing the time. They invest the time as a for like a money you invest now some LIC some like that. So people are also invest the time. Some they are given the our time 24 hour. How much hour I am sleeping. When I'm study like that. I invest the time as per our plan as per our opinion. Some people are manage the time, they are manage. If you have some job, they are taking 3 hours 4 hours, they try to finish within 2 hours and then 2 hours invest the other activities. They are manage the time as per the valuable. Some people are wasting the time. They don't have work, only they are wasting the time. You are sitting any place, 1 hour, 2 hour, they have no any activity, and they are waste our time. They have no any achievement, they have no any activity, nothing, but they are wasting the time. Like some people are get up the morning in this morning, and some people take the mobile and 1 hour, 2 hour scrolling the mobile. They have no any benefit, no any means job, but they are doing like that because they have no any plan for the whole day. If you have a plan, ki, okay, I get up morning 5 o'clock, then I will take the bath and I did ready and I will go to office like that. They have everything plan in mind. Ki, I will came after 4 o'clock. I will do like that. Everything plan. Then you cannot waste your time because you have a all have a valuable of time. But who don't have any work, they are wasting the time. They are no managing the time. They are no investing the time. So time is a very important for
But
everyone.
another word for this, procrastination. It means postpone.
Yeah,
There are so many distractions right now. When we get up, sometimes we think that, okay, we will make our mood. So first I will watch some reels. And right, when we saw the reels, don't know, we are we are thinking that we will be ready in 10 minutes. But after watching the reels, we are engaged in half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, don't know.
but that is the no benefit, na. That is the wasting of the time, na. If you are doing something in your mobile, you sending the mail, yeah, you are doing some activities in your mobile. Okay, they are invest your time. But you only watching the reel, but there is no benefit for your reel. You cannot get any for knowledge from this reel. That is the wasting of your time.
I mean to say, there are so many distractions right now. So we
Yeah,
can't understand that what is the value of the time.
yeah. Because
Because
time,
most of the youth are using so many social media apps.
yeah, yeah. Because time play an important uh, role in life. Can be very important role in life. If time invested is invest properly, it could be used to develop a skill. If time properly, then it could be used to develop for your skill.
Achieve your goal if you are following the time punctuality.
Yeah,
But if you don't follow these things, I think after some time you feel regret.
yeah, yeah. Because time is more valuable than money. If you money can be earned back, but time cannot be earned back. If time is gone, means gone. You cannot be can earn back. But if your money will be go, you can earn back like that.
There is a Hindi quote also, and it was written by Kabir. Yes. काल करे सो आज करे सो अब
Yeah,
पल में होएगी बहुरी करेगा कब. It
yeah,
means we should never postpone our work. We should do our work at on the time. Because
yeah.
most of the people have this nature. Okay, it's okay. Today I will not do. After some time I will do. But that day never will come.
Yeah, yeah. Because you think people are who doing the exercise, they're thinking they are postponed daily basis. Today I will postpone my exercise. Tomorrow I will do. If you have some benefit for you, you don't want to do because your mind will be not consider this is the hard work I cannot do. So you have a excuse. Today I have a lot of work, so today postpone this one. Tomorrow I will do. But today also you have a 24-hour time, and tomorrow also you have a 24-hour time. So you have to decide at a particular which time you will finish your all thing, and you have to consider you have to manage your time as per your work. If you have your lot of work, then you have to decide and you distribute your time. Ki, I will do this one for this time. I will do for this one. But daily we get the only 24-hour time. As a you are prime minister, as a you are a means nothing you have a work. All our people get the 24. God are given only 24 hours. If you are a prime minister, they are not given that 48 hours. They have a lot of work. So I will give you 20, 48 hour you, and they don't have a work. He give you 10-hour work time. All are God given 24 hours. Then, but you have to decide how can manage my time. But some
Are
people
you
are
following a proper timetable?
as per my when I am here, I have a proper timetable. If you my alarm 5:30, I get up 5:30 in the morning. I
Mhm.
never miss in 30 seconds. Before alarm 5:29, I get up in the morning. and I means 1 minute I show my mobile if any message anything, then I switch off my mobile, then I go bathroom. I will do everything, whatever I take the bath and teeth, my brush, everything I did. Then 45 minutes I will do spirituality, some Premanand Baba and something, have a satsang and watching and take the spirituality and take the some God's name. 45 minutes I have a, like that activity. Then
Mhm.
after 20
Mhm.
minutes I will do my exercise, whatever I have a, home exercise, I will do my exercise. And 7:30 I will go from the canteen. I will take the breakfast. 8 o'clock in the bus for the my duty. So when I am here in the duty time, I follow my proper time. But when I went my home and the holidays, I am not follow my time. I wasting my time.
Right.
That is the problem because I have not a strong decision myself. I cannot take the a strong decision myself. Either I have work, either I don't have work. I follow my time. So now I am decided. Now actually I am decided myself. I will follow every time because now Friday and Saturday I off. So sometime I get up 8 o'clock, 8:30 like that when my off day. But now within 2 months, 3 months, I follow the same rules. 5:30 I will get up the morning. I will do everything my work.
Mr. Why you are not following these timetable in your hometown? What is the specific reason?
Actually, there have been no any my plan in life. There have been nothing plan in my life because there have been no job, nothing work in my life. So they are break my this rules and regulation. But now I am decided I will not break my rule and regulation because time is the many more important in life. Either you have to work, either don't have to work. You have to follow your daily routine. So now I am started. I have a Friday and Saturday weekly off. So when off, I am get up 8 o'clock morning. Then I 1 hour watching my mobile. 9 o'clock I go in the bathroom and I fresh. But now in the off day also I get up morning 5:30 and I'm same follow work as per my daily routine. Everything going to a because if you don't have any job, then I do the some study and I medication and also I thinking about myself what I'm going to do, what is the benefit for this one. So I give more time for me. If you get up 9 o'clock and you go and everything do at 12 o'clock, you are not feel free and you will not feel fresh. So now 5:30 I get up and did my earlier job finish 8:30 9 o'clock. Then I get more time for me. I can meditation. I can understand for me what I'm going to do, what is my life. So now I am follow my properly time and table.
Right now you are working. Okay, you are doing a job. So you are
Yeah.
systematic. But when you will become old, that time you will retire. Do you think you follow the timetable?
Actually, I think I have to follow because you see, if you any means who are working in the army and the VSF, means who are working in the means Air Force Navy anyway, they are follow. If you they are retired, they are also follow the rule and regulation because they have habituated this work. They
Mhm.
have a in health that type of activity. If they are retired, also he get up in the morning. They are do the exercise. Everything he do on the time.
Follow these rules. Civilian don't follow these rules. I have observed. Because defense person
Yeah,
is a different thing. They always follow their rules after retirement. But civilian never follow, I think. Is it correct?
yeah, civilian. Yeah, civilian never follow because they are a lazy person. Civilian are more than lazy person from the defense because they are thinking ki, today don't have work, so why I'm going to wasting this time. They are thinking ki, that is the more important for get up is the sleeping and take the rest. I did the many year work in my life, so now is the my rest time. That is the mind setup. So they are not follow. But you know very well ki they that is the more harmful for the body because now need to more activities active in the old age. If you are old age more active, then you can survive a long time. Yeah, you can healthy a long time. But people are thinking, ah, now I'm did the 20-year work, 30 work. Now my age will be finished. So I will take rest. Who will be younger? Who is my son? And they do the work. So that is the mindset. So they are not follow the time and table. But I think have to
You
follow the
think
timetable.
that if you are not following a proper timetable, how can you cultivate this habit in your children? That is the reason I think behind it, that you will follow the rules when you go in your hometown,
Yeah, because
because
if we,
I
I
think
am
this
not
is
follow,
growing trend.
yeah, if I'm not follow, my children also not follow because he know Papa is sleeping, so I am sleeping. Papa is not doing anything, so I am not doing anything. Like that, he learn from me. So better me, I have to follow the timetable. They also follow properly. No need
This is
to
the strong
teach
reason.
me.
This is the strong
Yeah,
reason behind this.
yeah. And in the student life, they are most important for the time because if you take the decision on the time, they can get an achievement. If you not take the decision on the time, they are not get a achievement. So
Mhm.
if your children going to a student life, so should be make a timetable. You have to a timetable. You get up morning like that. You have to play time like that. Your study time like that. So if you have a timetable, they can get any achievement. Otherwise, didn't get any achievement.
In student life, it is very compulsory, because you don't
Yeah,
follow the timetable. You don't need that I should follow some you don't understand the value of time. After
yeah,
some time, I think you feel definitely regret.
yeah. And it's a more important time in the sports person. If he miss the millisecond, who is the athlete person, who are the sport person, they have a more important in life in this person because he missed the 1 second, 1 millisecond, they can lose our game.
Yes,
So they know
you
very well about time of value.
as well.
Yeah, they know very well about time of value of time.
Yeah,
Who are
it was
athlete, who are
with you again.
yeah.